exercise 8.2. So before going to start the exercise 8.2, so I'm going to ask you the trigonometric values of some specific angles. Yesterday what we have learned. Okay, one by one have to give the answer to it. Sin 30 degrees.
So half.
Half. Very good. Cos 60 degrees.
Half.
Very good. Not only one student. Others also should be very eager to give the answer. Tan 45 degrees.
1.
Soham, you please fight. Let us give the chance to others.
Okay, sir.
Sin 45 degrees.
1 by root 2.
Very good, very good. Sin 60 degrees.
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degrees.
Root 3 by 2.
Cos 0 degrees.
1.
Very good. Sin 0 degrees.
0.
Secant 0 degrees. See, whenever cos secant 0 is asking, आपका mind में क्या आना है? You need to recall that cos is a reciprocal of the secant. So secant whenever asking cos 0 क्या है? Cos 0 1. So 1 का reciprocal क्या है? 1 है. Like that you need to all the numbers. It is not necessary to remember. You have to analyze it. By the analyzation you can do it. Okay? Did you understand? समझ में आया? Okay, Suraj sin 90 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Sin 90.
Sir, 1.
1, very good. Please, I told you to learn all these trigonometric values, which is very useful to you in your future, now and then also. Not only for this solving this one exercise, it is useful to you for your whole life. Even if you are not choosing the mathematics also, they are useful to you. So don't neglect, you need to learn. Okay? And here the learning can be done in different way also. See here, I will tell you. 0. 0 किधर किधर आएगा? You try to write like this. This is one way of writing here. 0. Value 0 किधर आएगा? Value 0. Sin 0 भी 0 नहीं. Sin 0 degrees is 0. Along with the sin 0 degrees, cos 90 degrees is also 0. And tan 0 degrees is 0. Because sin 0 means cos also, tan also will be 0. And along with this, still, anyone? 0 where we will get?
Sir, cot 90.
Cot 90, yes. These are the places we will get the 0. Still, is there anyone, any place where do we get 0? 0 किधर आएगा? नहीं है.
हाँ सर.
हाँ?
सर नहीं है. नहीं है सर, नहीं है.
So like this, 0 हो गया. 1 by 2 किधर किधर आएगा? 1 by root 2 किधर किधर आएगा? Root 3 by 2 किधर किधर आएगा? In what places you will get? Root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2 हो गया. So root 3 by 2 भी हो गया. Then after, what are the real other values? Root 2 also will be there. 2 by root 3 also will be there. Root 2 हो गया, 2 by root 3, 2 also will be there. And then
Not defined.
Undefined is equals to, you are not supposed to write. Do remember, I am very clearly I am writing here. Undefined should not be written is equals. These are all values. Undefined is not a value, it is a one term. So where, for what values the trigonometric ratio is undefined? For what value the trigonometric ratio is undefined, you need to see. So like this, you write, this is one way of writing. Shall we write now? Here itself. Yes. 1 by 2 किधर किधर आएगा? Any one of you have to say.
Sin 30.
Sin 30 degrees. Very good. And
Cos 60.
Yes.
cos 60.
Like this, learning have to done in different way. If you learn in something in different way only, you will be able to remember for a long time. And otherwise, book pakad ke sine 0 sine 0 sine 91 sine 91 like this. If you are reading, you will not be able to. Even tables also. So many times I told you, tables also you are not supposed to read like that. Just like a game, something in a different way you have to try. This is the one different way. So all the values where we are getting that you have to write. Okay? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now here if you sine 30 degrees is cos 60 degrees 1 by 2. Still 1 by 2 will get anywhere else?
No, sir.
No. Next 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 किधर किधर आएगा?
Sin 45.
Sin 45?
Cos 45.
Yes, cos 45. So all of you open your notebooks and you try to write this one now itself. थोड़ा because you have to work out. Otherwise, you will not be able to do it. Now itself you work out. Writing? Are you all writing? हाँ? लिख रहे हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
इससे लिख रहे हैं.
हाँ हाँ. ये सारा लिख दो. रूट 3 by 2 किधर किधर आएगा? रूट 2 किधर आएगा? 2 by root 3 किधर आएगा? 2 किधर आएगा? Undefined where in what values, trigonometric values undefined you are going to get. I'll give the 5 minutes time. Within 5 minutes, I think you can complete. कंप्लीट कर लो. कंप्लीट करने के बाद आई राइट ऑन द बोर्ड. बोर्ड में लिखूंगा सो दैट यू विल बी एबल टू वेरीफाई योर आंसर्स. ओके?
सर
यस.
लास्ट सेकंड वाला में आपने क्या लिखा है?
व्हाट?
लास्ट सेकंड वाला वो नोटिफाइड के ऊपर.
अनडिफाइंड एंड 2.
अच्छा.
Undefined and 2. Okay?
सर
Yes.
सर यहाँ पे √3 का नहीं है.
हाँ?
√3 यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ नहीं है.
Root 3 किधर लिख दिया मैंने? Root 3 is not written.
Not written.
This is root 2. Root 3 is not written. Root 3 we are not going to have anywhere else. Oh, sorry.
Sir.
1 by sorry. Hey. 1 by root 3 will be there and root 3 also. Sorry. This root 1 by root 3 also will not be there. Na? 1 by root 3 किधर होगा? नहीं होगा.
सर √3 है तो. सर 1060.
Wait. 1 by root 3 आ जाएगा ना? Oh, sorry. 1 by root 3. These two will be there. Oh yes, like this we are going to get the revision in a proper way. 1 by root 3, because when you divide the 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3 आ जाएगा. This one by this one, root 3 आएगा. Sorry, two things we have missed. Yes. ऐसा सारा कवर करना है, so that revision will be done in a proper way. Yes, 1 by root 3 and root 3 also will be there. Okay, you write and I'm also going on writing here. Root 3 by 2 किधर आ जाएगा? Root 3 by 2 sin 60 degrees and cos 30 degrees. Sin 60 degrees and cos 30. Root 2 किधर आ जाएगा? So इसका reciprocal है 1 by root 2. So cosec 45 degrees and secant 45 degrees. 2 by root 3 किधर आएगा? इसका reciprocals. And we have forgot one also. One also not written. One लिखा नहीं है ना? One भी भूल गया. So 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 किधर आएगा? Cosec 60 degrees and secant 30 degrees. 2 किधर आएगा? Cosec 30 degrees and secant 60 degrees. इधर देख के लिख सकते हैं. That is the way you need to do. And 1 by root 3 किधर आ जाएगा? 1 by root 3. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. So sin by cos, sin 30 by cos 30. तो tan 30 क्या हो जाएगा? Tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3. Still anywhere else will get 1 by root 3?
Cot 60. Cot 60.
60 में आ जाएगा. So root 3 किधर आ जाएगा? Cot 30 degrees में आ जाएगा and tan 30 degrees में आ जाएगा. And one where do we get sin 90 degrees, cos 0 degrees, and as well as cosec also.
Secant 0.
90
Tan
degrees.
45.
Secant 0 degrees. And undefined.
Sir, tan 45.
What?
Tan 45.
And tan 45, yes, very good. Very good. And tan 45 also. So like this, undefined. Undefined, where do we get?
Sir, cot 45. वहाँ पर भी होगा cot 45.
What?
Cot 45. Cot 45.
Yes, here again you are going to have cot 45 also. Tan 45 and as well as cot 45. Yes, undefined.
Sir, root 3 is equals to cot 30 is equals to tan 60 होगा.
Tan 60. तो गलत लिखा. Tan 60. Okay, undefined. 0 का रेसिप्रोकल. 0 किधर आएगा? उस प्लेस में रेसिप्रोकल्स लेना है. So sin 0 का होता है रेसिप्रोकल cosec 0. Cosec 0. And here cos 90 है. इसका रेसिप्रोकल secant 90. ये इधर है undefined. In all these places it is undefined. So it is undefined now. So comma लगे. इस places में undefined is equals to नहीं लिख सकते. Value not. It is not value. Okay. Cosec 0, secant 90, and cot 0, tan 90. In these places. Still anything is missing? How many angles are there? 0 degrees is there for us. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So 5 are there. And how many trigonometric ratios are there? 6. 6 5s are 30. So total 30. 30 आ गया नहीं आया? एक बार चेक कर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So all we have used. All we have used. So this is a way to revise. ये क्या ना? आप टेबल just most of the students what they will do, एग्जाम में वो टेबल है ना, so वो टेबल बार बार लिखेंगे. No, that is not suggestible to you, because you have to, whenever you say that value immediately you should be ready to say. थोड़ा सा ये लेट हो सकता है. Suppose मैंने secant 45 I asked secant 45. What I will do, I will say secant 45 whenever I am asking. Secant is reciprocal of cos. So cos 45. Cos 45 value याद रखना 1 by root 2. So इसका reciprocal root 2. So root 2. Like that. Sin and cos. If you remember, remaining all automatically you are going to. Sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2. Sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2. Cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 0 is 0. Cos 0 is 1. Sin 90 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. So like this, sin and cos, all the angles you should be in position to say. आपका mind में पूरा ऐसा घूमना है ये. Okay? So now after that, let us go to start the exercise 8.2 start करेंगे. Okay? Exercise 8.20. The first problem here it is given to you, asking you to find the values of the some trigonometric values of the. It is given to you. So here sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees. This is asking you to find out. Values लिखना है और कुछ नहीं. Sin 60 degrees value. Yes, you have to say.
Root 3 by 2.
Yes, root 3 by 2. And cos 30 degrees value.
Root 3 by 2.
Both are root 3 by 2. Sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2. Cos 60 degrees is also 1 by 2. So root 3 by 2 means 3 by 4 you are going to get. This is 1 by 4 you are going to get. So denominator is same. Numerator में 3 plus 1. 4 by 4 which is equals to 1. Okay. And coming to the, if you see the problem which is in the form of the, along with this I am going to say the fifth problem to you. Remaining you can do it. थोड़ा सा difficult क्या लग रहा है वो problem select करके मैं बोल रहा हूँ. Okay? So fifth problem is given to you 5 cos square 60 degrees plus 4 secant square 30 degrees minus tan square 45 degrees divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Actually, these values can be found out in easiest way if you learn in the future. In the future, you can find out these in easiest way. After learning the identities, so many identities will be there in trigonometry. So after learning all the identities, you will be able to say in easiest way. Okay? So you can do this. This value will become 1. Directly I am saying. Denominator value. Denominator value 1 hoga. Because I know that identities. After you learning the identities, also you can say in easiest way. That's all, nothing else. So in value substitute karo 5. Cos 60 degrees. Cos square 60 means cos 60 whole square. Do remember that? This is meaning kya hai? Already we have discussed this one. Cos square 60 degrees is nothing but cos 60 degrees whole square. Cos square 60 degrees is nothing but cos 60 degrees whole square. Cos 60 degrees whole square. So cos 60 degrees value what? 1 by 2. Okay, 5 into cos 60 degrees value क्या है? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 लिखा 1 by 2 whole square plus 4. Secant 30. So secant 30 means immediately I may not be able to remember even you also. Cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees value root 3 by 2. Sin 30 1 by 2. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 का reciprocal लिखना है. 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 whole square minus tan 45 degrees value 1 square by 2. Sin 30 degrees value 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 30 degrees value root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square. इसको simplify करना है. So what you get here 5 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 4 by 3 minus 1 divided by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So we are going to get here 5 by 4 plus 8 by 3 minus 1 by 1. Denominator में 1 हो जाएगा ये. 3 by 4 plus 4 by 4 value क्या है? 1 हो जाएगा. So 1. So you have to ये तीनों को LCM कर लो. You are going to get 12. So LCM करने के बाद 3 5 3 is 15, 8 4 is 32 minus 12. What do you get? 32 minus 12, 20. 20 plus 35, 25 plus 15, 35. 35 by 12. Is it right or anywhere else wrong? You identify?
Sir,
हाँ.
sir, in the third step, 5 by 4 plus 8 by 3 कैसे होगा? वहाँ तो 16 by 3 होगा ना sir? 4 into 4.
Yes, that's what that's why I told you particularly to identify the mistake. Whether you are watching or not to test only wantedly, I have written that. 4 4 तो 16. ये ऐसा गलत मैंने बहुत ज्यादा बच्चे करते हुए समय देखे. 16 4 ना 64 हो गया. So now you simplify it. So what do you get here? 15 minus 12, 3 आ जाएगा. 3 इधर आएगा. 67 by 12. Now is it right? Is it right? Okay? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here, this is a way, just to, if you know the fractions properly, just simplification of the numbers properly, you can do it all in a easiest way. Okay? So in the way, same way, if you see the problems in the second bit में problems देख लो. Okay? ये दोनों समझ में आया ना? And remaining problems, I think you can do it. Just values substitute करना है. After substituting the values, then you have to simplify it. So second bit, choose the correct answer. But you don't do this as choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answers की जैसा मत करो. In a notebook, you need to solve it. Okay? So 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 plus tan square 30 degrees. This is equals to asking you. Okay, so what do you get to? Tan 30 degrees value?
1
Huh?
by root 3. 1 by root 3.
1 by root 3.
Root 3.
1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square, which is equals to 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3, which is equals to 2 by root 3 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So which is equals to 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4. So 2 ones are 2 2s are root 3 is the root 3 are. So we are going to get root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 in the given options, which one is you are going to get? Root 3 by 2. Sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. Sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. So which is equals to sin 60 degrees. So you can observe one thing here. Sir, ये 30 है इधर double हो गया. ये this is one identity in the future you are going to learn in 11th class. You can remember. So ये क्या है 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sin. ये double है ना 30 का double है ना. So ये theta का double क्या है 2 theta. This is one identity actually. Yes, this is an identity. Any angle. Suppose if I am asking you, you don't know the 15 degrees angle. You don't know 15 degrees angle. Suppose if I am asking you 2 tan 15 degrees by 1 plus tan square 15 degrees value क्या है? Can anyone say? With the help of this, this is little bit extra out of your textbook and syllabus, but you have to observe करना. अरे ये 30 degrees दे दिया इधर 60 आया, तो ये double होगा. So there may be a chance of some link. एक link होगा. Like that you need to analyze it. Okay? समझ में आया? So can
Yes, sir.
what is the value you will get here?
3 tan. Sir, 3 theta.
What?
So
Sir,
7.5.
sin 3 theta.
Sin? नो नो
7.5.
नो नो डबल हो रहा है ना, बट अगर थीटा होता तो
ओ
टू
अच्छा,
थीटा
30.
तो साइन 30 डिग्री, साइन 30 डिग्री वैल्यू क्या है? Even though you don't know 15 degrees, 15 degrees का वैल्यू don't know, tan 15 degrees का वैल्यू don't know, आपको पता नहीं है, but you can find out this complete value with the help of this. So these are the identities that you are going to learn in your future, but as interesting, some interesting you are going to get it here. So that's why I am saying to you this. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Second problem we get. Second one is given 1 minus tan square 45 degrees, right? 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. So 45 degrees value क्या है? ये तो सिंपल है. 1 minus 1 square by 1 plus 1. So 1 minus 1 by 2, which is equals to 0. 0 किधर आएगा in the given options? Tan 90 degrees. First option is given to you tan 90. Tan 90 degrees value क्या है? 0. So here, for second option is given to you 1. Third option is given to you sin 45. Sin 45 value 1. Fourth option is given to you 0. So 0 you are going to get, and the value will be equal to tan 90 degrees. First option. And इधर भी थोड़ा सा आपको sorry 1 minus tan square.
सर 1090
सर 1090 तो नॉन डिफाइंड है. 10
जीरो वैल्यू जीरो आएगा, तो व्हाट यू गेट? कैन एनीवन से जीरो किधर आएगा हम लोगों को?
सर यहाँ पर तो 0 ही दिया हुआ है.
साइन जीरो आ जाएगा, बट साइन जीरो नहीं, इसका रिलेटेड 90 की रिलेटेड 90 एंगल में किधर, ये 45 है, 90 एंगल में किधर आएगा? इसका आंसर तो इन दिस ऑप्शन आंसर इज ओनली डी, बिकॉज़ 0 डिग्रीज मैन, 0 वैल्यू. ओके, सो नाउ हियर cos 90 डिग्रीज वैल्यू क्या है? cos 90
0
0
sir.
cos 90 डिग्री से 0. ये cos 90 डिग्री ऑप्शन में दे नहीं दिया है, cos 90 डिग्री ऑप्शन, बट cos 90 डिग्री इनके ऑप्शन में दे दिया तो वो भी लिख सकते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ 0.
सर अगर sin 0 हुआ तो sin 0.
हियर 0 को 45 को लिंक नहीं है ना, sin 0 दिया है तो sin 0 भी 0 है, सही है, बट व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग दैट particularly means that particularly I am telling to you because 45 को 90 को लिंक है, इधर 30 को 60 को लिंक है, so with that you can we can generate the one formula. So cos 90 degrees. So can you derive the like this? Generate the formula. Can you generate the formula? One minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equals to
cos
Cot 90.
cot 2 theta. Cot 2
Yeah.
theta.
cos 2 theta.
Or cos 2 theta.
So with the help of this, if I am asking you 1 minus tan square 30 degrees by 1 plus tan square 30 degrees, आप यही like this you have to experimentally you have to learn. ये क्या होगा ये वैल्यू? इसको वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करके. टेक्स्ट बुक में क्या दे दिया वो ही नहीं करना है, you have to do little bit more. ये क्या हो सकता है as per this
cos 60.
आप चेक करो ये वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करके व्हाट you get 1 minus tan square 30, 1 plus tan square 30 value, 30 degrees value substitute करके find out करो. वो cos 60 degrees value क्या है? 1/2. आपको 1/2 आ जाएगा. You are going to get 1/2. चेक करो. These are the things you have to experiment. Mathematics में experiment बोले तो वही है. अरे ये आ रहे वो आ रहे, क्या दे दिया टेक्स्ट बुक में वही नहीं करना है, उसके साथ और एक एक्स्ट्रा you have to go on trying. Then only you are going to learn the subject. Okay? Then only you are going to learn the subject. Okay? समझ में आया? तो थर्ड प्रॉब्लम हो गया. थर्ड प्रॉब्लम you can do it. Sin 2a equal to 2 sin a. Is it true? Is it true when a is equals to? It is true for when a is equals to. a का प्लेस में क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया तो वो सही होगा. 0 degrees. 2 into 0. Sin 2a is nothing but sin 2a is equals to 2 sin a. This is possible in what case I am asking. 0 इधर 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया. Sin 2 into 0 is nothing but sin 0 हो जाएगा. तो 2 sin a is nothing but 2 sin 0. Sin 0 वैल्यू 0. इधर ये sin 0 वैल्यू 0 है, ये भी 0 है. 0 आ गया. It is true. Only 0 degrees में sin 2a. That means don't remember always sin 2a बोले तो 2 sin a answer. No, not always. Only 0 degrees. When it is only 0 degrees only it is correct. Not always. So this is always correct. This is always correct. Like that, if you see that fourth problem देखो, fourth problem में ये formula के जैसे generate कर सकते हैं. Actually, these are a little bit interesting if you are doing normally. Fourth one, what is given to you? 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 minus tan square 30. 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees, which is equals to 30 tan 30 degrees value
1 by root 3.
Yes.
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3 by 1 by 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3. 1 by root 3 whole square, okay, if you want to make. 2 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by 3, which is equals to 2 by root 3 by 3 minus 1 by 3, which is equals to 2 by root 3 by 2 by 3. So which is equals to 2 by root 3 to 3 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. Here root 3 we are going to get, which is equals to root 3. Root 3 किधर आ जाएगा? In what place you are going to get root 3?
tan 60.
अक्षर में cos
tan
60.
60.
Yes, tan 60. So here can you generate any formula? देखिए
2 tan theta
2 tan theta
by minus 1 tan theta
1 minus tan square theta is equals
is equal to tan 2 theta.
yes. ये थर्ड प्रॉब्लम से फोर्थ प्रॉब्लम से आ गया ये फॉर्मूला. फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम से हम लोगों को 2 tan theta by 1 plus. See here these formulas you are not supposed to confirm. ये देख के ये फॉर्मूला आ जाएगा बोल के कंफर्म नहीं करना. दिस इज पर्टिकुलर केस, दिस इज जनरल केस. ओरिजिनली है बट ऑलवेज यू आर नॉट सपोज्ड टू कंसीडर लाइक दैट. इधर आ गए तो वैल्यूज आ गए तो ये फॉर्मूला नहीं कर सकते हैं. बट आई एम सेइंग टू यू इन दिस सिचुएशन इट इज राइट. हियर ये सही है. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan sin 2 theta फर्स्ट वन. सेकंड वन में 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equals to cos 2 theta. So sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, tan 2 theta in terms of tan theta. These are all you are going to learn in 11th class. 11th क्लास में आप लोग सीखेगा. अभी थोड़ा सा ये फॉर्मूला सिचुएशन में आ गया है. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग दैट ये आइडेंटिटीज, these identities you are going to learn in your 11th class trigonometry. Okay, so now did you understand here? Third problem. Third one. So this is very important problem. Very important. Examination manner. Every time repeated question. Most number of time. You can confirm the question. This can be expected. So given what is given here, given tan a plus b is equals to root 3 and tan a minus b is equals to 1 by root 3. Tan a plus b is equals to root 3, tan a minus b is equals to 1 by root 3. And asking you to find out a greater than b means a value find out. So root 3 किधर आ जाएगा tan में हमको? root 3 किधर आएगा? 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees. So this implies tan a plus b is equals to tan 60 degrees. So from this you can say that a plus b is equals to 60 degrees. Equation number 1 mark. Second in the same way, tan a minus b, ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा complicated problem नहीं है, easy problem. Tan a minus b is equals to tan 30 degrees. A minus b is equal to 30 because 1 by root 3 30 degrees है ना. So from this you are going to get a minus b is equals to 30 degrees आ जाएगा a minus. A plus b 30, 60 a minus b दोनों को add करो. Equation number 1 and 2 add. What do you get? A plus b is equals to 60 degrees. A minus b is equals to 30 degrees. दोनों को add कर लिया तो ये दोनों cancel हो जाएगा. 2a is equals to 90 degrees. A is equals to 45 degrees. This is substitute in equation number 1 or 2. Anyone? Linear equations in two variables. देखो link कर. वो linear equations in two variables आते हैं तो भी यही कर सकते हैं. Which method we have used? We have used elimination method. हम लोग एलिमिनेशन मेथड यूज कर लिया, एलिमिनेट कर लिया b को. याद आया? लीनियर इक्वेशन.
हाँ सर.
ये. So if you know the linear equations in two variables, this problem can be solved. Otherwise, no. So that's why mathematics is nothing but you are not supposed to miss the class. Not only mathematics, any subject. Interlink will be there. एक चैप्टर से दूसरा चैप्टर इंटरलिंक होता है. अब वो नहीं आता तो ये भी नहीं आएगा. Okay? So now what do you get here? A is equals to 45 इधर substitute कर लिया. 45 plus B is equals to 60 degrees. So B is equals to 60 minus 45 degrees. So B is equals to 15 degrees. So B is equals to 15, A is equals to 45. A and B values are substituted. Problem is very simple. Okay? समझ में आया?
हाँ सर समझ में आ गया.
Fourth problem. So questions क्या they are true or false and asking to you to by giving the true or false, it is asking you to give the justify your answer. Sin a plus b is equals to sin a plus sin b. Is it true? नहीं. Justify your answer is nothing but ये false. False बोलने के लिए how do you say? Any example you can say. ये false बोलने के लिए example दे सकते हैं. You can give the one example. Suppose A is equals to, this is false. Let A is equals to any your wish, 30 degrees and B is equals to 60 degrees there. So then what do you get? A plus B is nothing but sin 30 plus 60 आ जाएगा. इधर sin 30, sin 60. So sin 30 plus 60 is nothing but sin 90 degrees. Is equals to sin 30 degrees value 1 by 2. Sin 60 degrees value root 3 by 2. This is 1 is equals to ये तो 1 plus root 3 by 2. 1 plus root 3 by 2 1 तो equal नहीं है. So ये false हो रहा है. This is the reason you can see. One example है ना. Sir, I take A equal to 45, B equal to 45. A equal to 45, B equal to 45 लेता हूँ. ले सकते हैं. That's your wish. Sin A plus B is not equals to sin A plus sin B. Second question, if you see that the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. Sin theta increases as the theta increases. Theta 0 first. Sin 0 value 0. Theta 30 degrees. ये 1 by 2. Theta 45 degrees. ये 1 by root 2. क्या हो रहा है? 1 by 2 is nothing but approximate value is 0.5. 1 by root 2. You tell me that 1 by 2 is greater than the 1 by root 2 or 1 by 2 is smaller than the
Smaller.
Numerator is fixed here. Denominator, say root 2 bigger or root 2 is bigger.
2 is bigger.
Root 2 is smaller.
Root
2 is bigger, root 2 is smaller.
से डिवाइड कर लिया तो बिगर नंबर आ जाएगा. Okay, if you divide with the smaller number, you are going to get the big. So this is small than this one. So like that, if you see the root 3 by 2 also, root 3 by 2 increase हो रही है. So here theta sin theta increases as theta increases. ये देखो 0 पे 0 है, 90 पहुंचने के बाद 1 हो जाएगा. तो ये increase होते जाता है value. So it is true. And cos theta increases as theta increases. No, cos theta decrease होता है, reverse. sin theta increase होता है, cos theta decrease होता है. cos theta क्या है? 0, cos 0 डिग्री वैल्यू 1 है. 1 से स्टार्ट होके 0 तक पहुंच गया. डिग्री values whenever you take into consider. So it is not possible. Now sin theta is equals to cos theta for all the values of theta. Is it true for all the values of theta? Fourth question. Sin theta is equals to cos theta is true for all the values of theta. Is it true for all the values of theta? No. Only 45 degrees में सही है. 30 degrees में sin 30 degrees अलग है, cos 30 degrees अलग है. Okay? So ये false. This is false. The fifth one, if you take into consider, cot A is not defined when A equal to 0. Cot A is not defined when A. So cot 0 degrees क्या है? 1 by 0. Cot 0 degrees. Because cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 1, 0. Cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. So 1 by 0 you will get. It is not defined. Yes, it is true. Okay? समझ में आया? Any more doubts in this? So you have to learn these all the trigonometric ratios of the specific angles in a proper way. Okay? Thank you.